So as requested, I'm going to share how I detangle and style my daughter's hair. This is my second daughter, Lexi, and everybody knows about the second child. They give you more of a hard time. So I try to just make it quick and easy with her so I don't stress myself out. Her hair was washed a couple days ago, but I kind of just threw it in a ponytail. So when I took it out, obviously it was like this rat's nest. The process is obviously a lot easier when I just freshly wash and condition her hair, but you know, sometimes we don't have time for that. So basically when it's like this, I just really soak it down with water, make sure it's really wet. Then I use the So Cozy Kids Curl leave-in and detangler. I like this detangler because it doesn't have any crazy chemicals, it has no parabens, all that terrible stuff. It's really simple and clean for kids' hair, and it does a good job detangling her hair. I wouldn't say it's the best ever, but it does a really good job. And then I use the Oyen handmade whipped pudding. I love this because it's so moisturizing and the ingredients are super clean. You can even use this as a lotion on your skin, and I love that fact because when I'm using products in my kids' hair, obviously it's going to get on their skin, so it makes me feel really good about using it on her. A little bit goes a long way with her type of hair texture. In this video I used more than I needed to, but it really does melt into the hair really well, and I feel like really you just need a quarter size for your child's hair. My oldest daughter, her hair is closer to a 4C I would say, and in her hair I can use a lot more because it kind of soaks it in more. Then I just comb her hair all the way through, get all the kinks out. These products really help add slip to her hair and moisture. And when I'm done, it looks like this. You can really see her curls are popping, her hair is moisturized. And then I just style her hair. I keep her styles really simple. This is obviously the first video I've ever filmed with her because this is the first time I've been able to get her to sit a little bit longer, and I've been having her sit while I do her older sister's hair so that she can watch and see. And you know, she's kind of into the big sister thing right now, so because big sister sits to get her hair done, she kind of is giving me a little bit of an easier time to do her hair, but I still got to keep it quick. I love these products mainly because they are so natural and the ingredients are really good, especially when you're dealing with young children. I definitely recommend them for that reason. I will definitely be sharing more products that I use in her hair. As for a simple detangle, these are my go-to. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.